What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am back at the Ohio River. Maybe you've seen or you recall, I filmed a video, Ohio River Cinematic Mavic Mini, something along those lines. It was of the Manchester Twin Islands and all up and down here, this part of the Ohio River, Adams County. Well, 1 year later, I've come back. Let's get into today's video. Maybe I'll start out with a little sneak peek of some of the drone footage I got, but I'm gonna show a lot more towards the end of the video. So with that, let's get into it. Nothing can compare to the mornings along the banks of the Ohio River. The calm current going downstream, the cool breeze ahead of what you know will be a hot and blistering sunny day. But for right now, in this moment in the morning, nothing compares to it. All right, guys, good morning at the Ohio River, just upriver from Manchester. Today we have a treat, the poker run. I'm going to tell you more about that, but just want to take some time, show you what the mornings are like here. It's pretty magical. We've got the fog every morning, then it's kind of lifting up, and finally we got the sunshine I just showed you coming up. See what it looks like from up above. In today's video, we're going to look at the beauty of the Ohio River from the morning and the sunrise with the fog to the evening and the sunset as you look downstream towards the west. Mavic or DJI has surprised me. I got to do a little bit of a software update here, so it's installing, 70% done, maybe another 10 minutes. The problem is the fog is lifted, so I wanted to get that fog. I was so concerned that I wasn't going to get the drone up before all the fog had lifted, but I got it. I got the footage I was looking for. Let's take a look. Good sign here. All the lights are green. Whether it be for its agriculture or its transportation, the Ohio River has been of great significance to those who inhabit it. The first settlers go back nearly 3,000 years ago when the first Native Americans arrived in the region. The name Ohio itself reminds us of the Native American history in this region, as it comes from the Seneca term meaning good river. And it was the Shawnee and the Miami, the last tribes to really fight to hold on to this land, but they were ultimately defeated during the course of the War of 1812 and were stripped of all the rights to the land. The river is in the eastern half of the United States, dividing the Midwest and the Southeast. During the Civil War, it served as the boundary between the North and the South. It's the third largest river in the United States according to volume discharge. The river is naturally shallow, with depths of 3 to 20 feet. However, a series of dams are used to raise the water levels into a series of reservoirs. This allows commercial navigation up and down the river. Industrial cargoes such as oil and steel are transported throughout the region via the Ohio River. Despite being one of the most polluted rivers in the United States, the beauty of the Ohio River can be seen from Pittsburgh to Cincinnati and all the way to the confluence with the Mississippi River.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment. Are you at the Manchester Twin Islands?
Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. If you're interested in the drone that I use, I have my products linked in the description below the video so you can check that out. And as promised, we're going to end this video with some sunset shots as this barge goes by. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.